Welcome back to our Dominican Bachata course. In this class, we'll summarize everything else we've done before. So if you haven't watched the previous episodes, you can check them in cards. And it is very important that you don't only watch them, but you also learn the steps before continuing with this class. Because we'll put many of steps from previous classes in one sequence, one routine. We'll show you how to combine them. Obviously, this is only one example of how it could be done. The possibilities and options are unlimited. If you feel like experimenting, feel like having fun with steps, give it a go, watch all previous steps, or even we can make it more fun. If you decide to dance that, I just came up with this now, so Ola doesn't know what I'm saying now. So if you decide to dance sequence based on steps from our classes, and if you send us the video, in the next Dominican Bachata class, we'll put you here somewhere on the side dancing it, and you'll be featured in our video. How crazy is that? First person who will do that wins and gets into the video. Only one. Funny competition. I have a feeling I know who it will be, but I will not say that loud. Okay, let's start with our sequence. Beginning, very, very simple. We start with basic left and right. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, E, pum, pum. The next, turn to the left, 5, 6, 7, hop, and 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum. So far, very, very simple. The next step, we taught it in the last class or the previous to the last? Previous class, the last were turns. So that was from class number 5 when we open, go back, slide, heel, toe. And the rhythm for that, 5, 1, 2, 3, and hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. From here, footwork from, I believe, first class, I think. 5, 6, 7, hop, 1 and 2 and 3, E, pum, pum, and continue with reggaeton footwork, 5 and 6 and 7, E, pum, pum. One more time sequence from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, turn, and 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, hop, hop, hopping, pum, 1 and 2 and 3, E, pum, pum, 1 and 2 and 3, E, pum, pum. Okay, what is next, Ola? Triangle and square. Triangle back first. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum. And square first to the side, then forward. 5, 6, 7, E, pum, pum. Continuation forward, forward, back. Forward, forward, back, E, pum, pum. Right turn back. 5, 6, 7, E, pum, pum. One more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, left, turn, E, pum, pum, 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3, E, pum, pum, 5 and 7, E, triangle, 1, 2, 3, and square, 5, 6, 7, forward, front, back, and turn, 5, 6, 7, E, pum, pum. The last two elements, toe and hop, and step, E, pum, pum. I think this was class number 3 or something like that. The same class as we did reggaeton footwork. 5, 6, 7, hop, 1 and 2 and 3, E, pum, pum. And the last one, cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. And from here, basic in spot. 1, 2, 3, E, pum, pum, 5. And that's the end of our sequence. One more time from the beginning to the end. 5, 6, 1, basic. 1, 2, 3, E. Maybe should start a bit more forward. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, E. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, E. Boom, boom. Turn, tick, hop, E. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, E. Boom. 1 and 2 and 3, E. Boom, boom. 5 and 6 and 7, E. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, and square. 5, 6. And front, 1, 2, 3, and turn, 5, 6, 7, and hop, 1 and 2 and 3, E, cha-cha, 5, 6, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, E, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, E, boom, boom. I hope you got it. If not, watch it many times, go back to previous videos, make sure you know the steps well, and let's try to do it with music. It will be fun. 1, basic side, we go, up, 1, turn, 1, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, triangle, 1, and square, front and front again, hop, turn, boom, boom, pa, 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 hop, boom, 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 cha, 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 and spot. Okie dokie. So here is our sequence. If you want to watch it again, you can always rewind it and dance it. And like we said, who first will send us this sequence dancing or any other sequence combined from steps that we taught you in previous 6 classes, will feature you dancing next to us or by yourself in our next class. If anybody will do it. Otherwise, it will be us again. Okay, that's the end of this class. Remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can become a patron of our channel. All links in the description below. See you later. Bye-bye.